Good morning, friends of CrossFit Generation. Coach Barry here, back in action, giving you the video goods of our programming for the week of 4/20 of 2026. All right, Monday, pull up, 4 reps. So last time we did 6. So I want you to increase the weight if you can and also decrease the bands. Make sure you note that in Wodify. And then we have our Murph prep WOD for this week, 5 rounds, each for time with a 3-minute cap each round. 8 pull-ups, 12 air squats, 200-meter run, 3-minute cap. You're going to have to push the pedal on this a little bit, so we'll have to scale the pull-ups if we need to maybe 4 repetitions. So if you can get this in like 2 to 215 or even less than that, that is the goal for each of those rounds. All right, on Tuesday, just some nice 4 1-minute intervals, 30-second transition between carries, push-ups, calories on the rower, and then step-ups. We'll all start at a different station in our larger classes, and then we'll move through this little number for some nice volume there, and then we'll hit up abs as a group. Wednesday, overhead squat. I know it's not everybody. Oh my goodness, seriously. I know this is not everybody's favorite thing, but we need to show up and work on this skill. Okay, so heavy set of 4, and then we'll rock this out. And then that WOD is completely nasty. Your heart rate's going to shoot up, and we're going to have to really endure the burn here. All right, and we're trying to get that done in 10 to 12 minutes and maybe even less for some of you individuals. All right, so really pushing that WOD there. All right, Thursday, this is also a really grueling workout, 20 minutes. We're taking that dumbbell, we're doing 2 movements, dumbbell reverse lunge, and then dumbbell strict press, intertwined with 20 burpees and then 20 box jumps. So again, maintaining a nice steady heart rate. All right, taking breaks when we need to. All right, notice it says strict press, so it's not shoulder to overhead. That's why the weight is lighter. So it is a just standing strict press. 10 each arm and then 10 each leg, right, on each of those things. All right, awesome. And then afterwards, we'll hit up a 1,000-meter run, nice and easy, just to get some volume on the running, and then deadlift. This will probably be the most packed day of the week. Everyone loves deadlifts, heavy set of 4. And then Helen, a very popular benchmark. It probably is the top 3 in the gym. 3 rounds, 400-meter run, 21 kettlebell swings, and 12 pull-ups. We haven't done it in a while, so we'll see what you got on the table. And then a little bit of Murph prep there with the running and the pull-ups to end the week. All right, cool. You guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you on the gym floor. All right, cool. Rock on.